Some Amazon listings are everyday essentials, others, eye-watering price tags and big promises. Today, the 4 most expensive products on Amazon in 2026, and whether they're smart investments or potential scams. We'll cover authenticity checks, liquidity risks, and buyer safeguards. Links and references below. Verify before you buy. We'll show you what to check. Grading, provenance, return policies, and buyer protections, so you can separate real value from hype. Kicking off our list at number 1, Cal Ripken Jr.'s 1981 rookie MLB debut signed game-used jersey, a centerpiece of Baltimore Orioles history and a grail for serious collectors. Graded Mears 10 with a Ripken letter of authenticity, top-tier provenance and condition, the kind that commands record prices. Listing note: if an item is unsigned or not game-used, no hologram is included. Always verify the exact listing copy and included documentation. Why it's expensive: rookie debut wear, Ripken, signature, elite Mears 10 grade, and an iconic Iron Man career that defined a generation. Risks: forged paperwork, swapped tags, and a thinner buyer pool if you ever resell. Price swings can be dramatic. Quick checks: match serials on the LOA, photo match gameware, get third-party opinions, and secure a written return policy. The appeal is clear: museum-grade condition, ironclad provenance, and Orioles legacy. This is trophy case material for blue-chip collections. Store it like an asset. Archival garment bag, climate control, insurance, and minimal handling to preserve grade and long-term value. Pro: unmatched provenance and condition for an all-time great. Con: steep entry price and market volatility. Plus, ongoing storage and insurance costs. Price on Amazon: $623,633. Smart buy for advanced memorabilia investors who accept volatility and ensure storage, best held long-term with an auction exit strategy. Number 2. The legendary 1909 to 1911 T206 almost complete set, 505 cards of a possible 526, averaging very good to excellent. Headliners include Walter Johnson, Bill O'Hara, and Ty Cobb. Note: the Big Four, Wagner, Plank, Maggi Error, and Doyle variations, are not included in the standard set. Grades range from PSA and SGC 1 through 6. Review each slab and cert number before purchase. Serial noted: BSet number 4, 597216. Seller advertises a satisfaction guarantee. Confirm return window and restocking in writing. Investment case: a century-old blue chip set with broad demand, but price depends heavily on stars, backs, and eye appeal. Risks: trimmed edges, reprints, crossed grades, and high liquidity spreads. Amazon price: $420,440. Number 3. 1981 Boston Celtics Finals game-winning, game-used, signed basketball. Not just a souvenir, this is a championship artifact tied to a decisive moment, pressure, history, and provenance that commands the room. Catalog note: if an item is unsigned or not game-used, a hologram will not be included. Expect auction tags and a keyaway folder with lot details. What you must verify: team or league LOA, third-party signature authentication, and clear photo-matched markings to the game. Value: drivers, championship pedigree, decisive moment provenance, and legible signatures. Risks: vague chain of custody, replica balls, and volatile auction comps. Buy with your head, not just nostalgia. Insist on ironclad paperwork. Price: $356,357. Number 4. The Queen Victoria Banco de Londres y Mexico, 1905, uncancelled bearer stock certificate with attached dividend coupons. 10 shares at 100 pesos each, face value, 1,000 pesos. Today's value comes from rarity, not redemption. This bank was among the few chartered to operate across Mexican states, giving it national significance. And note, this is stock, not a bond, no maturity, dividends only. Uncancelled bearer status with intact coupons makes it exceptionally scarce. The Queen Victoria Vignette and Guilloche are crisp. Risks include modern reproductions, cancelled remainders marketed as originals, and thin market liquidity. Buy with provenance and expert authentication. Amazon price: $200,000. Best for advanced scripophily collectors seeking museum-grade Mexican banking ephemera. Smart buy or scam. Verify: dealer invoice, serial and warranty, specs match photos, seller history, written returns, insured trackable shipping. High spend: consult a pro. and always verify before you invest.